Any mention?
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 1, my lord.
Number?
The daily list. Item number 1.
Why?
1, 2, and 3, my lord. Learned Advocate General, he is occupied before quorum number 1, my lord.
1, 2, and 3 will go because Dr. Saraf finished his part, only waiting for Advocate General's response.
My lord, we can come next week, my lord, subject to my lord's convenience.
My lord, this is unfortunate, my lord, that the matter is fixed and thereafter the again
Fixed, and again we would on the verge of concluding it. And what's the problem?
My lord, he is occupied before quorum number 1, my lord. That's what matters.
That's a serious matter.
That's what matters, my lord.
Okay, anyway, we'll have it today's Tuesday.
Next week, my lord.
Next Tuesday.
Lordship.
As a fixed matter. Yes.
Also, I'm praying for extension of interim item number 1.
Okay, yes. On the prayers made on behalf of the Advocate General, it will be not available today due to personal difficulty.
Lordship.
Yes. Professional difficulty. Personal difficulty. Yes, list these matters on Tuesday 17th, right? 17th. The fixed matter. Yes. Number 1 and models continue. Yes.
Highly touched.
Well, 17th,
Then you take your date, Dr. Saraf, because since they've taken time.
24th, my lord, if it is there, my lord.
24th, okay.
1 page.
24th.
Team leave, Lordship.
Number 2, no?
Supplementary list item number 1.
May I please, Your Lordships?
Yes.
Actually, the petitioner before you is a senior citizen.
He's a
Senior citizen. Yes, Lordship. Due to his continuous ill health, he could not avail his opportunities before the alternate remedies available under the Act. He had availed after the impugned assessment order. He had filed appeal, but he could not appear before the appeal. Neither because of his ill health, he could not give instructions to the concerned representatives.
When was the assessment order made?
Assessment order, Lordship, was made in 22/3/2023, which is at Annexure 2.
Yeah.
Impugned by that, the appeal was filed in the year 2023 itself, and it got dismissed in the year 2024, February 24. Continuously, he has been under treatment because of his chronic pulmonary diseases and hernia and all those things. And so he could not prefer further appeal before the tribunal. At this stage,
what we can do then?
Lordship, otherwise there is a legal issues involved in this matter. The impugned assessment order is without jurisdiction.
So was it the appeal was taken up on merits and disposed of?
Appeal was taken up on merit,
Then?
but it was dismissed because of non-appearance.
Where's the order in appeal?
Lordship may come to Annexure 3, starts on page 47. The operative part of the appeal is on page 60. Para 12.4.
Long order.
Lordship, that includes all the facts of the assessment order and the other findings, Lordship. As the appellant itself is not coming forward to present this case and provide any details that can help to alter the conclusion already drawn by the adjudicating authority, I am inclined to believe that the adjudicating authority has rightly confirmed the demand by the impugned order. And therefore, with no other findings, it was dismissed, Lordship. Even after this, because of his conditions, he could not approach the tribunal, the CSTAT tribunal, Lordship. And as such, to fairly submit.
CSTAT tribunal, they can have remanded the matter for again reconsideration. What is the problem?
Lordship,
For reconsideration, if your submission is that they were not represented, correct?
right?
No counsel also.
No counsel.
Yeah, Dr. Mozika.
So clearly appealable order, my lord.
Yes.
Yeah, we can approach the tribunal. That is also option.
Now
66.
order
Do we limitation? Yes.
To beat the limitation, they've come invoked it, my lord.
But actually, the legal issue persists in this matter. It was
Legal
totally
issue
without
was never
jurisdiction.
taken up by the appellate tribunal, but in appeal. So what legal issue?
That's why I fairly submit before Your Honor, because that's the issue. Even in the writ jurisdiction, it's after 2 years. It's fairly submit, nothing to hide in that matter. But he is remediless at this stage, and no other option. When the impugn order itself is without jurisdiction,
Now the thing is that when they took up the appeal, all your documents have been filed on appeal. Your grounds of appeal were taken into consideration.
it has been discussed in the appellate order, but no finding is on that. It was dismissed just because I could not appear, and the representative who had appointed also did not appear. That was not known to the petitioner lordship at that moment of time.
Is that recorded anyway?
Yes, lordship.
Which page?
Lordship may turn to page 59, para 11, personal hearing.
Yes.
The appellant was granted personal hearing on 19/12/23 and an adjournment request received by from a third party whose authorization not available on record. He was a appointed advocate lordship before the appellate authority, but somehow that authorization was not there in record, so he was not considered. Next date of personal hearing was fixed on 18/1/24 and 19/2/24, but nobody appeared for hearing on scheduled dates and time. Lordship may consider page annex 4 onwards. These are the medical documents. During the entire period, he had been undergoing surgery for hernia, pulmonary diseases all along, and he has been out of station in Jaipur and all for these treatments.
Yes.
Ailment like acute kidney injury, benign enlargement of prostate, chronic.
What business was he running?
Lordship.
What business?
He was doing a works contract with the government department at that relevant point of time. This periods of 16-17 and 17-18, these financial years. It's only because like
Dr. Mozika, we are contemplating. We'll send us back to the appeals tribunal, commission of appeals.
Well, what I propose, my lord, let them file an appeal before the sestate. Because if you lordship kindly sees page 48, my lord, in the order itself, and moreover, my lord, there is no pleading that when they received the order, what was the difficulty in filing, in approaching sestate, my lord. Kindly see page 48, my lord.
Yes, I'm on page 48 only.
Clause 2A towards the bottom, my lord. In any other case, the appeal shall lie under sections 86 of the Finance Act to the customs so and so within 3 months from the date on which the order sought to be appealed against is communicated. And the tribunal has the power to condone the delay also, my lord.
No, that is not the thing. See, until unless there is a decision on merit, the tribunal, definitely this order has to be challenged. But then what we can find out is this order was passed just because the appellant could not make himself present before.
Well,
We consider it again.
well, even this order is appealable, my lord. There is nothing that prohibits an appeal
It's all right.
against
It's
this
all
order.
right. But then what is the problem? It is hard by the simple thing is that it is an admitted position that the appellant was not present.
No, my lord, it is their appeal, my lord. They filed the appeal and they don't appear, my lord.
You can understand that. Well, and that is not a simple dismissal of default in such a case. There should not have been a decision on merit in such a case.
Because the appellate provision says so, my lord. Rather than doing that, my lord, if your lordship allows them to file an appeal, my lord, the tribunal will consider the delay. There is a provision for condonation of delay also.
Where's the provision? Where's the process?
86, my lord.
It's 86 Finance Act. Yes.
86(1), my lord.
Yes.
Any SSC agreed by an order passed by the Commissioner of Central Excise under Section 84 and order passed to Commissioner of Central Excise appeals under Section 85 may appeal to the appellate tribunal against such order. Then, my lord, 3. Every appeal under so and so shall be filed within 3 months from the date on which the order sought to be appealed against is received by the SSC. So and so. And then 5, my lord. The appellate tribunal may admit an appeal or permit the filing of memorandum of cross objection after the expiry of the relevant period referred to in so and so, if it is satisfied there was sufficient cause for not presenting it within the period.
Yes. Yes. And that's the order. It's within the process. You will dispose of, Sir Todi.
Lordship. Lordship may remand back to either of the Commissioner Appeals or Appellate Tribunal.
So because that's very good appellate tribunal, and let them, if you can settle a matter there, you lose ladder of appeal. It's up to you. I
Lordship.
think that is take down the present petition directed against an order in original dated 22/3/2023 by the Assistant Commissioner Central Goods and Services Tax Shillong, levying service tax under Chapter 5 of the Finance Act 1984. Stop. Though the grounds taken, the subject matter issue concerns the levy of service tax placed solely on the amount on which the TDS, then bracket, tax that the source has been made. It is a case of the petitioner that the same was impermissible in law. Stop. The order in original was then challenged before the Commission of Appeals.
Yes. Page 60, operative part.
Which by order dated 20/2024.
Yes.
24. The Commissioner of Appeals upheld the findings of the adjudicating authority and the appeal was rejected and disposed of. Stop. Next paragraph. Dr. A. Todi, Honored Counsel for the petitioner, submits that the order in appeal dated 20/02/2024 had been passed without a personal hearing being afforded to the petitioner, who could not appear due to serious medical conditions. The counsel has also taken this court to the discussion and findings contained in the order in appeal. Stop. He therefore prays that at this stage the court, as the other issues also involve, that this court take up the matter for consideration. Stop. Next paragraph. Dr. N. Musica, learned ESGI with so and so. At the outset, though not disputing the findings or the fact that no personal hearing was that the petitioner could not appear personal hearing, has however submitted that the petitioner has a liberty to approach the appellate tribunal where the grounds set forth in his writ petition can also be taken up, and as provided in the Act, in the Section 86 of the Finance Act, Service Tax
Finance Act
of the Finance Act 1994 of the appellate tribunal is also vested with the powers to consider the condemnation of any delay that may have occurred. Stop. Upon hearing the counsel for the parties and also an examination of the materials as placed, it is seen that in the order and appeal itself, at para 11, it has been recorded that the appellant, though granted personal hearing on 19/12/2023 and thereafter on 18/1/2024 and 19/02/2024, there was no appearance from his part or from the authorized representative. Stop. It is also seen that it has been recorded at para 12.4 the findings of the educating authority have been confirmed, also in view of the fact that the appellant had not come forward to present their case. Stop. As it has been submitted by the learned counsel to petitioner that the non-appearance was caused by extenuating circumstances due to the ill health. This court also has perused the medical certificate. What are these medical records
medical
of
record.
the petitioner, which have been annexed to the petition, which indicate that the petitioner is suffering from various grievous ailments. Which primarily indicates that the non-appearance was caused by his ill health. Stop. Next paragraph. In the considered view of this court, therefore, for the ends of justice, this writ petition is disposed of with the direction that the writ petitioner prefer an appeal before the appellate tribunal as provided under section 86 of the Finance Act, and that the delay which have been caused be given due consideration, taking into account the circumstances which had resulted in the non-appearance of the writ petitioner before the Commission of Appeals. Stop. Any other until the matter is taken up, no course of action until the matter is taken and disposed of by the appellate tribunal. No course of action shall be taken against the writ petitioner. So,
But what is, if he files appeal within 3 or 2 months or
oh yes.
Within 2 months, we'll file
Yes,
it.
if we were to file also, the writ petitioner shall also ensure that the appeal is filed within a period of 6 weeks from the date of this order. Until further orders are passed in the appeal, no course of action shall be taken against the petitioner. In the
Much
time being.
obliged.
Deeply.
Much obliged.
Your Lordships, I mentioned item 24 and pray for adjournment till 15/4. As the main accused, he has filed a petition before this sister for challenging the seizure, and that has a direct bearing on this case. So I am placing on record the tribunal final hearing notice. Yes.
Well, okay, till when?
15/4. Yes. I've talked to Mr. Mojika, he has agreed.
Can't make out anything from here. Anyway, Dr. Mr. Gupta, please, that as the petitioner has also preferred a customs appeal. Before Sestat,
Sister, Kolkata.
yes, Kolkata, the matter, the instant matter having the
Tribunal's
appeal
decision
having
will have a
having a bearing on the instant matter. The WPC 161.
161.
Item 24 be adjourned for
15/4.
adjourned to 15/4. Yes. Not objected to by MS Sijala by Dr. Mojika. Yes, accordingly after 15/4. Yes.
Much obliged.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22 for respondent number 5. I have seek the consent of the petitioner. Just need some time to prepare.
For what?
22. 22.
What do you need some time for?
For preparing the matter.
Why preparing the matter?
Because the counsel who's conducting this matter, Mr. Pulverized from Guwahati, is out of station, so he couldn't
Doesn't
come.
matter.
At least
Yeah.
2 weeks. Your Lordship. I seek the consent, they've agreed to it. Highly obliged.
I barred you. Yes.
But please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 21.
On
I pray this matter to be listed after two weeks.
what's the matter about? Service matter?
Service matter.
Pension matter?
No.
He was terminated from service, my lord, for the reduction of duty.
Okay.
No objections, my lord.
2 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19. This matter come up after 2 weeks, Your
What's the
Lordship.
matter about?
Bifurcation of village, Your Lordship. We are grieved by the changing of the name.
You are with Mr. Changreso?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Any objection?
No objection.
No urgency.
No urgency.
2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged.
Supplementary list item number 1.
Look, this is a peculiar case where I am the complainant and I have been penalized, my lord. Now, just to understand the factual
You're a
aspect.
complainant and you've been penalized?
Yes, my lord. I'll just take your lordships to page 22 just to understand the background of the case, my lord. Page 22, your lordships will have a picture.
20?
22 and extra 3. Your lordships has a picture.
Where is this? Krangsuri?
Well, this is Pepe Falls. Now there are 2 entry points, my lord. From one side of the river is the land of Freli Sumer, and
You know, this actual photograph.
yes, my lord. On the left side, my lord, is through Rajbuam. These are the 2 entry points to the falls. Now, your lordships, can you have the next page at 23? This is a map, my lord.
Right, Guam. Yes.
Page 23, your lordships has.
Yes.
Now, kindly have at the bottom of the picture, my lord, Paradise Adventure Camp.
Yeah.
So this is my business, my lord.
Okay.
So what I do is, and your lordships will have at the top of the picture, Pepe Falls. So what I do is, my lord, the essential feature of my camp is the trekking. So it is from Paradise Adventure Camp up to Pepe Falls where trekking is undertaken.
How far is it?
It is around more than a kilometer. It takes around 1 hour, half an hour, sorry. Now, in doing so, if your lordships again comes back to my Paradise Adventure Camp, the river has to be crossed.
Okay.
The river has to be crossed. Now, before that, my lord, now from Fefe Falls up to my camp, this river, my lord, on the right side is Skenprishit village, my lord. Skenprishit.
What village?
Skenprishit.
Skenprishit.
Prishit, yes, my lord. On the right side of the river, my lord, on the right side of the page. And on the left side is Chikentalang.
Yeah.
So, my lord,
problem.
yes, my lord. So, my lord, in this, in my resort, my lord, Paradise Adventure Camp, I have invested money, my lord, and guests, they come and I organize these camps and we take them to up to Fefe Falls for trekking. In doing so, my lord, if your lordships kindly see, the river has to be crossed. Now, to cross the river, what I have done is, my lord, provided boat with a...
River to cross the right side.
Yes, my lord, I have to cross...
From here you can walk down also.
no, my lord, because of the terrain, my lord, it has to go in a straight line.
Okay.
On the right, on the next page, page 24, your lordships will see. So it starts from through movie and we have to go to the other side of the river, which is around 100 meters, my lord. So for which I provide boat and a person to row and life jacket. Now what happens is, my lord, the village on the other side, on the opposite side, that is Skenprishit, now around 8 people come to my camp, my lord, and stops the crossing of the river, saying this river belongs to the village and demanding 50% of revenue.
From you?
From me, my lord. The only thing I am doing is, my lord, ferrying the guest from one side of the river to the other side of the river. I am not, my lord, charging for any boating or anything. It's just for ferrying. Now, pursuant to this, what I do is, my lord, I approach the BDO. If your lordships kindly have page 62 and extra 12, or I approach the SDO. The lordships will see the date. Date is 8th of October 2025. So I write this letter, my lord, to the SDO, Amlaram, my lord, and copy to the Deputy Commissioner and the SP, my lord. And what do I say here, my lord? I say this, my lord. We so-and-so, proprietor, and Srimati so-and-so, lawful owner of the land, where the said business is being carried out near through movie, would like to bring to your kind notice an incident that had caused serious obstruction to tourism activities in the area. That on the morning of 7th October 2025 at around 7:30 am, Shri so-and-so along with a group of 8 persons came to the site where Paradise...
What people?
These people are the office bearers of Skenprishit, the other side, my lord.
Yes.
Came to the site where Paradise Adventure Camp operates its activities such as homestay, restaurant, boating and tourist guide service. During their visit, they made certain unreasonable demands from Shri so-and-so, that is petitioner number 1, in relation to the boating and life jacket service provided to the tourists, specifically asking that 50% of the revenue from these facilities to be paid to them, failing which they threatened not to allow any tourists to visit or enjoy the area. While Shri so-and-so has always been willing to contribute financially towards the welfare and development of Skenprishit village, the demand of 50% of revenue from his business operations is beyond the financial capacity. He therefore expressed his inability to comply with the same. Following this, the said individuals left. Later at around 10:30 p.m. on the same day, the associates of Shri so-and-so of Skenprishit village along with 2 other male members came to the area and forcefully stopped the tourists from entering in boating and from visiting Pepe waterfalls. Their actions created panic and fear among the visitors and resulted in a complete disruption of tourism activities in the area. Such acts of intimidation and obstructions not only tarnishes the image of the area as a tourist destination but also cause economic loss and damage to the reputation of local tourism operators who strive to promote sustainable and community-friendly tourism in the area. It may be kindly noted that Shri so-and-so is presently serving as the secretary of Skenprishit village and so-and-so holds...
Is he the respondent?
Yes, my lord. We therefore, it is necessary to intimate your esteemed office to
what happened
President. After that, my lord, a meeting was called on 9th. So this representation was made, complaint was made on 8th of October. Then on 9th, a meeting was called, my lord.
Yes. What was the decision?
On 9th meeting was called, my lord. If your lordships kindly see at page 64.
Yes.
So explanation of everybody was sought for, and if your lordships comes at page 65,
Yes.
SDO 3 action points. Bullet points, but number 1, the chair informed that the headman should ensure cleanliness in the village and along with the path of Hip Falls. She instructed that no bottles, plastic and other waste should be thrown in the way. Number 2, my lord, she also asked both village to submit court documents related to the land dispute along with the assigned agreement signed by Mr. So-and-so 2019. The chair reminded everyone that natural resources belong to the community and should be used for the welfare of community. Charging fees for personal gain to access it is not permissible. The chair urged the headmen of Skentalang and Dunbok Buyang to meet and resolve the issue. She requested Shri So-and-so to submit a written application to the Darbar to convene a meeting to resolve the matter. She also requested the headman of Skentalang to convene a Darbar by Saturday and to send a copy of the minutes of resolution to this office. So Skentalang was nowhere in the picture. It is only in this meeting that they were called, Skentalang village. Now the last line is important, my lord. For the time being, it was directed to shut down Phe Falls for the safety of the tourists. So this was on 10th of October 2025. Now Skentalang was nowhere in the picture. However, if your lordships kindly have page 69. Pursuant to this, Skentalang has put up the signboard saying at point number 2, point number 1, temporarily closed. Number 2, anyone who disobey the rules fine 5,000, order by Skentalang. So basically from this side of the river, from Skentalang, it is implemented by the Darbar, 5,000.
But that means right Boam.
Right Boam, my lord. Now, my lord, pursuant to this, I again wrote at page 70 to the SDO that I am an individual. I've got nothing to do with the disputes, the litigation, my lord, which I have annexed, my lord, at page.
What litigation?
Yes, my lord, I'll just take your lordships. Your lordships will find.
What are you seeking today?
My lord, today I am interim order, my lord, to kindly, my lord, direct the respondents, the SDO, to reopen, my lord, because it is affecting me.
Close to 25 now.
Yes, my lord, it's closed, and the direction is to close the falls. However, the Sken Prishit side, my lord, the through my lord, that Trili Sumer side, the village is running, my lord. So either, my lord, it should be closed for everyone or it should be open for everyone. That is my prayer for today, my lord. And notice may be issued to these respondents, my lord.
Yeah, but it should lie.
And one more thing, my lord.
You don't have a tourist development society there.
If they have also, my lord, they'll run the falls.
No. In the area, you know, all the state.
There is, my lord. There is. In fact, your lordships will see at page 73. My complaint was forwarded, my lord, to the district tourism officer.
Yes.
And they were present in the meeting also, my lord, the society. Now, in the meantime, what has happened, my lord, at page 78, I have written this representation. Why? Because at page 84 onwards, my lord, my relatives were directed by the Darbar to appear before the Darbar, and we have been ostracized.
Ostracized?
Yes, my lord.
Yeah.
We have been socially boycotted, my lord.
Yes, but it should lie.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, from the page 6, it appears, your lordship, that there is a dispute. From page 62, your lordship, it appears that there is a dispute between the petitioner and the
No, my lord.
the person of Skenprashi village, your lordship. And to that, your lordship,
when did you start your tourism activity?
This 2017, my lord.
2017.
17.
Lordship, this, if it is true, your lordship, that has been closed from 2025, your lordship. Let me have instruction in the matter, your lordship. What is really happening on the ground, your lordship?
That it's closed from both sides, my lord. It cannot be closed from one side.
Well, we can't close right now. We'll see. We'll have
No, it's there.
Let me have the instruction first, Your Lordship.
We'll see, yes.
It's there
Lordship,
already.
yes.
Come,
If it is closed, Your Lordship, then we'll take over.
Mr. Lemon Nombri, then counsel with the petitioner, issue notice. Mr. Indi Shulai Leonard.
126, Your Lordship.
Mr. C.R. Khan present, except notice in behalf of
126. 126, Your
1
Lordship.
6. Notice to issue to remain respondents within 2 days. So, after 2 days, person service also permitted. Next paragraph. The grievance of the writ petitioner is with the disturbance which has been caused to his tourism activities, which is situated near Flumuvi River, Sumuro Amaram subdivision, Belchente Hills. Stop. It has been submitted by Mr. Nombri, Leonard Counsel petitioner, that in the running of the petitioner's lawful tourism activities, certain disturbances have been caused by the Darbar Shinong by the respondents number
7, 8.
7, 8 and 9.
Yes, ma'am.
7, 8 and 9. No, in the running back. By the response 7, 8 and 9, who are members of the Darbar Shinong Council, which is adjoining the tourism area, more particularly Fifi Falls. Stop. Further submitted it is further submitted that though complaints had been made before the respondent number 3 and a meeting convened. Stop. The situation has reached a stalemate, and rather the tourist site itself have been closed for visitation by tourists. So, and instead the members of the Darbar Parishad are continuing to what is the word? They are what you saying? This closed. Is closed.
That has been closed by the respondent number 10, Your Lordship. There is a signboard.
Now this fee falls in whose jurisdiction?
I'll have to seek instruction, Your Lordship. Under whose jurisdiction it falls?
Yes, Lord, but the issue is not that with respect to who should run Fifi Falls. It's like my business has been stopped and the entry to the falls have been stopped.
Who has closed it?
The SDO, my lord, by its order.
No, there is a
Your
signboard.
Lordship, kindly have page 65 again.
No, but the signboard who put up?
By respondent number 10, Your Lordship.
This is on the side, on the left side, that is Shikantalang, my lord.
Lordship, kindly have page 69.
Respondent number 10.
Yes. Yes. And in fact, the respondent number 6 himself, 6, right? The video, 3 had directed for closure of the tourist site. To compound this situation, it is submitted by Learned Counsel that the members of the petitioners, which petitioner?
2 to 10, my lord.
By Shikantalang village.
Shikantalang village, my lord.
Compound to this situation
Have been ostracized.
is the fact that the petitioners number 2 to 7,
2 to 10, my lord.
2 to 10 have also been ostracized by the respondent number 10, Shikantalang village, who also claim ownership over the falls, and have put up a signboard, upward notice indicating closure of he said false. Stop. Learned counsel prays that in the interim, you don't have, we won't take interim. The learned counsel has also submitted, in spite of the order of the BDO, to await resolution of the matter. The respondents from Second Pritchard village are conducting tours,
Yes.
which has adversely affected his business and has his business stopped. He therefore prays that appropriate orders be passed so that the matter be resolved. Next paragraph. Mr. N.D. Shulai, learned EAG, prays him allowed to obtain instructions as to the exact ground situation that is prevailing at present,
Lordship.
and whether the submissions as made by the learned counsel for the petitioner are correct. In his view, let this matter appear after 2 weeks. In the meanwhile, the In the meanwhile, the respondent directed to conduct a preliminary under the Deputy Commissioner West Gangster Hills.
Lordship, yes.
Directed to institute a preliminary inquiry into the allegations made therein, especially with regard to authorization and to whether any of these respondents have taken the matter into their own hands. Stop. List accordingly. Yes.
Lordship. Deep. Highly apply, Your Lordship.
So.
Item number 2.
To the Executive Committee, Karachi Autonomous District Council, by tender notice dated 13 October 2020. Way of settlement of hard market. Thereafter, your lordship,
This petition also will not be maintainable, my lord. This is the second round of litigation. They have not made any statement into the petition. They have approached this honourable court and some defects was there and they have withdrawn. They have not made any statement to that effect.
Previously, it was with regard to the cost.
Before, I think this is the same matter.
Yes, yes, my lord.
To go for the council again for representation.
No, my lord.
No.
Where the cost title was defective.
It is a declaration form. Declaration form 14,000.
Okay, yes.
14,50,000. This is the amount which I have offered.
Right.
Now, when the list was published of the successful bidders, then I found that my amount was shown as 12,11,020.
Where is that? Which seal number?
Is a page 20. Page 20 for the Dadangiri Hut. Why this manipulation was done? I have not come to the court directly.
20.
Yes, because I am the second successful bidder. This is Dadangiri. 12,11,000. From where do they got these figures? Because this is not the figure which I have offered. I have said 14,50,000. Then I did not come directly to the court. I filed a representation to them. The representation file.
When start from?
1st of April.
You take instruction.
1st April.
No,
In the meantime, only some interim order may be passed.
Well, I am noticing the interim order.
Mr. S.D. Leonard Counsel is present. The House Respondent 1 and 2 no further notice. Notice issue Respondent number 3 stop. The grievance with petitioner is that the petitioner is aggrieved with the non-acceptance of his tender for the Dadangiri market in spite of offering an amount of the higher bid of rupees 14.
That is not correct.
For 14,50,000.
Submission. No?
His submission.
14 lakhs.
I have a documents with me.
14,50,000, which he submit had been.
That was manipulated to 12,11,200.
Submitted that in
the list of successful bidders. The amount shown is
only 12,11,200, with the successful bidder amount being shown as 12,15,000. Submitted that there has been serious manipulation in the tender process, which has resulted in the deprivation of the petitioner. Mr. SD submits. What is submission?
Maybe the walk order is already issued, my lord. Second thing, my lord, since the walk order will be starting from the 1st of April, my lord.
Yes, no,
I will place the record.
That, yes.
So I will place the record. On the meantime, no interim may be given, my lord. This walk order is already given, my lord.
Yes, no work order has been given, but the thing is that
they are not walking. Someone else is collecting, my lord.
Commencement will be for 1st April.
Ms. SD please allowed to obtain instructions before 31st March. Considering the Justice Court consideration of the submissions made by the parties and also a perusal of tender form 106, the tender form annexed to that petition with regard to the bid amount, a prima facie case was made out of some interim order stage. The next date, there's no further action shall be
No
taken
settlement
with
of
regard
hut.
to- Yes, the Dadangere hut.
No.
Yes, I will listen after 1 week.
After 1 week.
You can do after 1
But if in case the settlement is already done, that is what.
No,
they have already done.
Item number 4.
Now, what is
This is the case of the 29 cantonment fire incident. The Lordship was pleased to direct the cantonment.
Before my learned senior begins, I have an objection on the maintainability of this miscellaneous application.
On a disposed of case. But they have no recourse to any other remedy.
They can come back by way of a fresh writ, my lord. It can't be by way of a miscase.
Poor people are made to suffer like this, but despite the orders, nothing was done.
Humanitarian.
Yes, on the ground, we have given all the facilities.
No facility. Let them show what facility. Let them submit.
Inspection was done, everything was done. All the reports are here. In fact,
As a matter of fact, my lords, we also told them that please do not erect any concrete structures.
No concrete, no concrete.
What they were doing is, my lords,
Only
and
windproof and waterproof.
I'll bring photographs to show that. Iron pillars were being sought to be put in, my lords, to create concrete
No,
structures.
no, my lord. We are putting only CI sheets as a wall and CI sheet on the top. I think CI sheet is the
My lords, I have these
temporary
pictures
distance.
here.
It is
Lordships
there.
will kindly see whether this is a temporary structure.
How can it be? And lease expired.
For lease expired.
We've told them, my lords, please don't do any such thing. These are, my lords, iron beams which are sought to be put in the ground.
What would be the definition of a temporary structure?
But when they allow
And
the cantonment order, they allow even the RCC wall. They call it temporary when they grant permission for temporary structure. And to me, even CI sheet are not allowed to put there. My lord.
Sheet, my lords, you can't
How,
put iron
what
pillars
they
on
are
the
showing? Where is that pillar? They say they are RCC pillar. We are faking.
It's
No,
not RCC,
we
iron
have no
pillars.
means to raise a pillar, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Manta, you.
No, they are trying to make permanent.
How can we say like that? A mere saying will not do.
The Lordship's order says windproof and waterproof.
Yes, that.
The Lordship have been very careful in phrasing
Now the
that.
thing is that where is the inspection report?
I'll obtain because I got a copy now.
We were served a copy now in court, my lords.
You have to take down this Mrs. application, Mr. 40, have been filed and disposed of. WPC number 12/2026. Stop to initial objections have been raised by the counsel for the respondents as to its maintainability. Stop the prayer made herein is only it's the prayer made herein is basically that the orders of this court have not been complied with.
Yes.
Mr. Espimanta bearing correspondence number three. Mr. K. Paul appearing for phone number.
Well, it's, I am for 7 and 8.
7 and 8.
I am for 3.
You'll take instructions also? Yes, Dr. Mozia appearing for 1 and 2. But Mr. DFGI, Mr. Espimanta Senior Counsel for 3. Where is the little party?
3 minutes.
For 3. I was for 4 and 5. Shall obtain instructions for this after 1 week. It takes us back.
Daily list.
Well, these also, you see, Mr. Siddiqui, sometimes it always happens like that. So once you can't give an inch, a mile can't be taken.
Well, whether my lords will permit us to file an affidavit and bring this on record.
Yes.
My lords
I will give in writing undertaking that it will only CI sheet wall.
Yes.
CI sheet and nothing beyond that one.
The responsibility to bring any materials necessary for adjudication on the next day is
much.
Daily list item number 1.
The counter has already been filed in this matter, my lord, raising the preliminary issue as to the maintainability, my lord, because this is a dispute involving payment of compensation
And for the agenda?
land
Your Lordship will be filing in the course of the day, Your Lordship.
Yes, sir. Your name, sorry?
EXO.
Yes, MS EXO, the counsel for the player submits that she'll be filing reply to the application objection only. Reply to what does they file? What application they file?
Maintainability of the instant application.
Yes. Reply to the application file on maintainability. From the course of the day list after
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay, yes.
Item number 2.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I pray that this matter may become out after 2 weeks.
End of the board?
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
After 2 weeks.
No question, Lordship.
On the joint play of the parties, this matter after 2 weeks.
Oh, bless you.
3.
Please, Lordship. As per the last order, Your Lordship, the respondent number 2 and 3 they are supposed to appear, Your Lordship. I just make a small submission, Your Lordship. This para page 13, para 3 sub point 3, where we actually our claim of that was 74, but whatever the state government has given to us, we have willingly accept.
Para 3.
Para 3 sub para 3. It is the affidavit. In the affidavit, they have stated that only 25,053,223. Even this amount was given by the state respondent, and we have willingly accepted. And this is not disputed by them. And then this amount they have not released even till now. It is not.
Affidavit. When is date?
They are.
Yes, sir. Your opinion for number?
Only a respondent number 1, Your Lordship.
Yes,
I have
but,
no instructions with regard to
those these respond 2 and 3 have been served, no appearance me on their behalf today. So I message the nominee present behalf of respondent number 1 and please try to find affidavit for the next date list. List after
1 week maybe.
2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
4.
That's right.
Lordship, we have filed an additional affidavit on behalf of the petitioner.
You asked for instructions only, now you file additional affidavit?
Yes, my
No,
lord.
my Lordship, no leave was granted by this
Yes.
court to file additional.
My lord, we were granted on the order dated 13/11/25.
Oh.
Last para, my lord.
13.
13/11/25.
Oh, yes.
Be that as it may, if the petitioner still
Okay,
has
you
some
want to put up for
requests-
hearing now?
Yes, my lord.
Yes,
It can be put up.
My lord, 30.
Yes, this matter for hearing you will pause after 2 weeks. Yes.
Highly
Five.
advised, my lord.
Yes.
As per last order, we have filed our affidavit in reply, Lordship.
Lordship, I am appearing for the respondent number 3 and 4. Pleadings are complete in this matter. However, the bank guarantee on the basis of which the interim protection has been granted, that bank guarantee is about to expire in the month of March. So, the petitioners may be directed to renew the said bank guarantees.
Yes, sir. The joiner has been filed.
Yes,
Yes,
Your
Lordship. I have just received it recently.
Cost has been paid also.
Yes, we have paid the cost, Your Lordship.
Yes, yes. The joiner has been filed by the petitioner, including the cost paid to the Meghalaya State Legal Service Authority. This is a matter for hearing. As submitted by MSP Agarwal, appearing correspondence number 3 and 4, that the bank guarantee which has been furnished due to expire, the learned petitioner directed to, or the petitioner directed to renew the same for another 6 months. Yes.
Does the interim definitely continue, Lordship?
Interim order shall continue.
6.
After further order.
Lordship, on this matter, the respondent is supposed to file affidavit, Lordship.
Mr. Sinkon.
Lordship, respondent 12 also. They haven't filed.
This is MSEB.
MIDC, Lordship.
Pension matter?
Lordship, this retirement benefits, Lordship, has been
Yes,
stopped.
who's 423? You have 123. You file affidavit. KP Barachaji 428.
We have filed, Lordship.
Kharmoplang 911 filed. Andy Shulai
12, Your Lordship. For no, Your Lordship. In fact, we filed that application for striking of the name that has been turned down by Your Lordship. I'll have to seek instruction whether we file or not.
Yes, this is a matter for hearing.
Lordship, yes.
Lordship.
In the meanwhile,
We have filed
Your
rejoinder.
Lordship,
We have
that
filed
liberty may be
No,
granted.
Lordship. No.
they have not.
They have not filed. Please, he will have some time to examine the matter to file the rejoinder. The affidavits filed by respondents 428 and 9 to 11.
9 to 11.
This after 2 weeks. In the meanwhile, Mr. Andy Shulai is also permitted to obtain instructions whether any affidavit be necessary.
Lordship.
Shall it be necessary? Only a formal party.
Lordship.
Hello, Lordship.
Seven same or double.
Just together.
8.
Please, Your Lordship. In this matter, I have filed an affidavit of service on respondent number 6.
It's served.
Yes,
Served or not
Lordship.
served?
Yes, Lordship. I have filed an affidavit of service.
Yes, sir. And after indicating served on the 6 has since been filed, but there is no appearance from said respondent.
My lord, I'm praying for 1 week's time, my lord, to file.
For 125 days allowed for 2 weeks time for affidavit. This after 2 weeks for affidavit and for appearance of respondent number
6. Evening, right?
That's my question, yes.
9.
Lordship, I was supposed to file my affidavit today, but there's some new developments, Your Lordship.
What new developments?
Lordship, the petitioners had dug a hole for some construction, against which an FIR was filed.
Lordship, these are matters which are not relevant to the instant case at hand, Lordship.
File your affidavit, Mr. Thaba. Whether you were denying the benefits or not. That's all.
Lordship, the benefits are still being denied, Lordship. We have sent representations over representations which have been left unanswered till date, Lordship. If I may be allowed to bring those representations
You
on
bring them
record.
and then you file affidavit next date.
Yes, Your Honor.
Notwithstanding any other development. Digging a hole or whatever.
Because the matter was seized off
See,
by
the thing is that they have come to complain that you're depriving them of all the, the schemes, the benefits, and then you have to address that. Whether you're doing yes or no.
Yes, Your Lordship. They've
Yes,
come
you're depriving
in.
them.
No, there's another matter, Your Lordship. They have sent by post asking for NOC regarding petitioner number 4. But the NOC has been asked by the deceased father.
That I'm not aware, Lordship.
Anyway, you file your affidavit.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Thaba submits due to unavoidable circumstances, the affidavit will be filed. He prays without 1 week further time, which is allowed. What about P.S. Nangri?
Mr. Counsel, Your Lordship, 3 and 4.
You're not filing.
No, I'll take instructions, Your Lordship.
What about state? You file status report regarding deprivation of the benefit.
Nothing, Lordship.
And then you have union. Your union.
They are just former parties, Lordship.
Performer is responding.
Has it placed for mediation?
No, Lordship.
Yes. Oh, legal counsel, yes. Why don't you come for mediation?
We can try.
I'll have to seek instructions, Lordship.
You file your affidavit, you think so after 1 week you file affidavit then.
Lordship. If I may be allowed to place those representations on record as well, Lordship.
Yes, sir. So, please one time. And then Mr. LCM also please allowed to bring additional materials. Praise allowed stop. With regard to other respondents, state respondents and the council are yet to file affidavits. Yes. Just after 1 week, yes.
10.
I oblige.
service.
Completed, Your Lordship. We have filed affidavit also.
Affidavit of service I have not received, my lord. Affidavit of service. When was it filed? I don't have copy of the affidavit of service.
Yes, getting service upon respondent 2, 3, 4, and 5 has since been filed. So, but there's no appearance on behalf of the respondents today. It's after 1 week for appearance and for further orders. Yes. Yes.
11.
Please, much obliged.
Much obliged.
May please, Lordship. Lordship, I'm praying for 2 weeks to file the rejoinder.
2 days?
2 weeks.
How many times you prayed?
First time, Your Lordship.
Second time.
Okay. 2 weeks time as prayed allowed for rejoinder.
12.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'm praying for further 1 week's time for instructions, Your Lordship.
Instruction?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Why instructions?
Lordship, as per the...
I'm confused.
No, Your Lordship, whether these similarly situated or not, Your Lordship. Because some of the petitioners have retired, Your Lordship.
Oh, and you're retired and seeking restoration now.
Yes, Your Lordship. We just want to instructions
So
whether...
next time is prayed for instructions allowed. Yes, 2 weeks for the time. As prayed, further 2 weeks time is allowed for obtaining instructions by the petitioner.
13.
May please, Lordship. I'm praying for some more time, Your Lordship, to file an affidavit.
Your Lordship, I'm entering appearance for respondent number 8.
You already entered appearance.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing this for the first time. I just submitted my Wakalat Nama, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I'm filing the Wakalat Nama today for the petitioner, Your Lordship. I have been appointed yesterday, Your Lordship.
You got no objection from the earlier counsel?
Yes, Lordship.
What's
I'm
your
closing
name?
with the Wakalat Nama, Lordship.
What is your name?
Advocate S. Parveen.
He is MSS Praveen. Submits that she has been newly engaged by the petitioner and will be filing her power in the course of the day. And on behalf of 127, praise for how much time?
2 weeks time,
2 weeks for them for appeal. MSS Sankti of a similar prayer. Yes. Yes.
14.
Admission hearing, my lord, in the first week of April.
Have you filed your affidavit?
We have filed the affidavit in first case, 14, item number 14, my lord.
Where's none appears for the petitioner this matter after 2 weeks of admission hearing? Yes.
15.
Hello, in this case, I need only 1 week time, my lord, to file my affidavit in opposition.
The bill is pending, Lordship.
What is pending?
Contact a bill, Lordship. More about 2 crore, Lordship. Contact bills are pending, Lordship.
You're not appearing the first matter?
Lordship, yes. Affidavits have not been filed, Lordship.
Okay, we just will allow them 1 week for the time. Yes.
Another matter is also take, Lordship. 706, Lordship. That in this matter.
76,
Item, oh sorry, Lordship, item 14. Item 14. I forgot, Lordship.
Why you?
My apology, Lordship. I have.
Okay, yes.
Lordship. That may be
taken together. Yes.
Lordship.
Just in this matter, item number 15. Further 1 week's time has prayed. 1 week.
1 week, my lord, only.
Yes, is allowed by affidavit. So this together with privacy number 707. It's been admitted. We will list for admission hearing.
No, not yet been admitted.
This
Only notice
admission
for
hearing
this.
together with WC number 706.
Obliged.
What is your name?
D. Mahanta.
Yes, record his name. D. Mahanta.
16.
Obliged, my lord.
Your Lordship, the petitioner here has already exhausted his remedy, Your Lordship. So I'm seeking for, I may be allowed to file a short reply on maintainability, Your Lordship.
What do you mean exhausted his remedy?
They have already preferred a second appeal also, which was also already dismissed, Your Lordship.
Before this court?
No, Your Lordship, before the council court, Your Lordship. I may be allowed to file a reply on maintainability.
How come if I come by writ? Where's Mr. Sangma?
Your Lordship, the conducting counsel is out of station.
Yes, Mr. Parsons, their praise was allowed to extend the file. Short affidavit.
On maintainability, Your Lordship.
On maintainability, yes. Yes, after 2 weeks. Much obliged.
17.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'm praying for some more time. We're awaiting instructions.
You have been all respondents?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes. I've prayed for the 2 weeks' time for instructions for affidavit.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Much obliged.
Hearing 18.
Your Lordship, I pray if this matter can come up tomorrow.
Where's MS Tiangi? Oh no, Miss S. Jindal.
He have some emergency, Your Lordship.
Every day is having emergency. When does his life not have emergency then? After 1 week on the prayer respondent.
Much
obliged.
20.
Please, Your Lordship.
Get it,
Lordship, I'm praying for a short accommodation.
reassigned to whom the brief?
Lordship, I'm not sure till now, Your Lordship.
Because this is where's the council?
Lordship, it was endorsed to a moment, but
No. But even the court's already recorded that. You can't, poor fellow, he's not well, at least a case.
but
Carry
I'm not
on.
sure, Your Lordship.
Even
who
this
is
recorded
endorsed.
here. Today there's no appearance on behalf of the state respondents 1, 6 and 9. MS K. Kanoplang present on behalf 7 and 8. List after
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, yes.
23.
This is the case for compassionate appointment. For last 10 years it is hanging in the court.
I think if I have to write an order, I won't have time. I'm short of vice secretaries also. Last minute. We'll take it next week. Yes, it is so long.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Yes.
25.
The prayer part is after 1 week. Yes.
25.
Yes.
My Lordship, I'm ready for hearing.
Yes, but where's the AG?
Lordship, check. Might be on 9, my lord.
We'll have a short date. When do you want it? We'll
Any
pick
day,
the
my
date.
Lordship. Call me any day.
Any date you want.
After 1 week. Much obliged.